what it is, man. I'm with my man, Whip Caviar, man. We got Luke Cage over here, man. Y'all already know what we doing. Y'all already know what we doing, man. Go check my man out, Whip Caviar.
Like I'm Eddie Guerrero.
Versatile World 2025. It's the first one. We appreciate everybody coming out. Coming in. We're gonna get bigger and better every year. Gang. Going live? Yeah. Don't cut up too bad now. I ain't get that. My camera ain't get that. Do that again.
electricity. Can't let you go, 'cause you got those abilities. Wanna be you breathing, yeah. Before I let you go, sir, I just need some closure. Tell your friends, trying to get some clarity, I can't be coming out.
What up, my boy?
Trying my best to get from tearing my skin on my bones.
little bit. We about to start thinking. You already got it? Oh shit, hold on. You on live?
Yeah, my boy.
Let's talk that yank. Let's talk that yank. Virginia in the building. What's going on? Hey, I've been hearing a lot about this truck right here, right? You know my boy Keon and Jawan, they from your way. You know, we've been hearing a lot about y'all city now. So hey, but I told him when I had my ring, I'm coming down there, come across everybody's ass. So hey, we're gonna see what y'all gonna do.
Once you get come on, you ain't gonna do that.
I told him come through Scottsburg, drive by anything over there. I'm coming. I was telling him. Bring my money. Hey, I'm gonna bring Will Fogel with me. We're gonna see what Virginia. Hey, I appreciate y'all boys.
Yes, sir. What y'all on, man? Y'all see it? We out here Gbody versus the world.
Oh, Malibu Persian.
Where
Say
that?
y'all one more time. I'm coming.
Oh yeah, that Malibu. Yeah, let's see that.
Yes, sir. You see it. You see it. Boo boo. That's what it's called. Boo boo. Yes, sir. Look good over here, buddy. Look good. We appreciate y'all for coming. Look good. He done got hurt. You good, big dog? Take it easy, man.
I'm getting ready to go soon. I get this bad boy patched up.
Alright.
Done for the day.
If you need, I'll come back check on you.
Thank you, bro.
Yes, sir. Man, we about to talk. We about to talk.
He in the staging lane, ain't he? He all the way up front.
What boost that? Boost Donald.
Left lane is out, right lane is on. Left lane
Hey,
is
Boost.
out, right lane is on.
Boost Donald. You know, we are live real quick, Boost Donald. And I just want to say something, man. You know, them boys told me to call you, right, to get on live, right?
Yeah.
I don't see him on the property.
Left lane is out.
Where he at? Tell him get here.
What that mean then, Boost?
You know what it means.
Scared?
You already know what it means. You already know what it means.
Hey, could they call me? They begged me. Please call me. Please call me. But they ain't here. You know what that means.
I think they phone off.
Hey, you tell your son anything he want to try with music, he got it.
Oh, really?
Really?
You want to say it because you on live.
Hey,
You know I'm down right now, too.
hey, you know we go way back, man. You know we go way back.
But don't worry, I'll be out soon.
Hey, dude, we go way back, man. It's at the paint shop. It's cool.
You ain't got your car here?
When you ready, you call me. We can do it. Hey, dude. Hey, we both can talk shit, 'cause we both ain't got them here.
I've been waiting on clear coat to drop for 3 days.
My clear coat's still wet.
We're gonna try some.
Hey, well, they'll be ready.
Well, you know what I got here today? What? 2 sets of feet if you want to try something later. Your knees bad. Your knees bad. I'll send you out. Somebody call me.
Yeah, they calling you, my boy.
Coming to the front now. Somebody told me to stop. I'm pulling up right now.
Roll your window up, my boy.
Come on. All right, ready to go. Go.
I like that. I like that. Hell yeah. I like that. Hell yeah. Call it left, right. What you got? Left, right. Right. Huh? Right lane. I put $1 on the clear. I don't got $1. You got cash out. Kendrick Lamar on this one. All I ever wanted was a black Grand National. White lane.
Y'all already know what time it is, man. It's the Purge Team Corner Zone, baby. We out here in Darlington. Listen, if you ain't following my man, check out whip_caviar on Instagram, and y'all go like, follow, and subscribe Whip Caviar on YouTube. Get your woo-woo juice, get you some Whip Caviar, and get you some of the Purge. You already know what time it is.